Hello, everybody. Says here. We are doing review of Forex pair. The first pair we're going to look at is the GBP USD, and we are right now we start with the weekly time frame. Every bar is a weekly is 1 week, so 5 days. So as we can see in the weekly time frame, we have uh, GBP, USD, British pound, US dollar is in the uh, uptrend. From that point here in October, it's been going up. As we can see, we're doing higher high and higher lows. So right now, price is fighting the 200-day moving average. This is it right here, the red EMA. So let's go down to the daily time frame. So in the daily time frame, even though in the weekly time frame we are in an uptrend, daily time frame as well, you can see price is in an uptrend. But if we're gonna focus on this area right here, this is the area we're going to focus on. Let me highlight it for you. I'm gonna change that to yellow, light yellow, so you can be with me here. Let's do this. All right, so this is where we're gonna focus. This is the daily time frame. Right now, if we look at that area here, what we can see is that price been consolidating right here. There's a consolidation in this area right now. So most likely what price will do, price gonna bounce between this. Let me remove that to make it clearer. So price will be bounced between this line right here. This is a weekly resistance and the daily support right here. Okay, this area right here. You can see price went up, respected, came down, went up, respected, came down, went up again, came down, respected it to go this way. So right now in the daily time frame, we can't make any decision. We in the middle of price come from the support to go up here. So if we're going to make a decision, we have to wait and watch this area right here. When price come back in this area, or if price come back here again, that's where we're going to make a decision. If we're going to take a trade, I'm not for this is me. I'm not making any decision right now because price is not telling me to. There's no confirmation unless if depend the kind of trader you are. If we look at that bullish pin bar right here, we might say, hey, there's a bullish pin bar and price is on its way up. Some people might take a trade here, but see, if it was me, I would go down to the 4-hour time frame to see if that confirm. If that confirm, maybe you can take a short. There's possibility for a short buy because we can bring it, go here to about 70 pip with it, or even all the way up here 400 pip. So there's a possibilities, but we have to go down to lower time frame to go. Let's go to 4 hour to see what 4 hour is saying. Oh, okay. So you see, this is the same zone we are in. This is where it's been consolidating. That's mean there's no clear trend. That's what that's telling us. So, and if we look at this, we see we got two EMAs here, and we have a 4 hour support and resistance zone right here that's been break. It's temp to come to we if it was a fake breakout, this candlestick was fighting it and came back close at that area right here. So this is a new candlestick. It got 4 hours. This is a 4 hour candlestick right here. It got 2 hours and 44 minutes. So we can't trust it completely, but we have to see what this one does. If I was in the market right now, this is a zone. We can see price has been going up. If we do this, this is a minor. There's a minor All right, so if we put that here, we'll see price been respected here, 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 and it this is an horizontal, a diagonal support here we create. So this is this area here. Now, okay, so now if you take a trade over here, I'll understand. But if for me, I would wait here to see what price gonna do. But if you have a big account, you can get, let's see, let me see what's the potential. If we take it here, the stop loss have to be under this area right here. See, the stop loss have to be 106 pip. This is what I don't like to take. When in a consolidation zone, I don't like to take trade in the middle of the zone. I want to take trade in the end of the zone. This is this zone right here. This is the support area of the consolidation. This is the resistance area. I want like to trade at least in these two areas, here or here, right? Let me show you. If I have to take a trade here, right here, so I'm only putting 30. See, I only got a 30 pip up to, let's say, 40 pip stop loss. If I take it up here, the opposite direction, I only have to take, I only have to put a stop loss about 50 pip. All right, so I go around here. Here's where the price, the last highest it went. I'm gonna waste 50 pip. So let's look at the reward. If I take it here or any of the up or down, I have the potential to do 150 pip. This is a 3-to-1 ratio trade. So waiting for this area, these two areas that we already show you, makes sense, because now if I do it here, my stop loss will be shorter. I'm gonna risk less in either direction. So that's why I would not take the trade here. But if you have a big account, you think you can make only 100 pip, and then this is a 1-to-1. So that's up to all the people to do that. If we go down even to the 1 hour time frame, as we can see in the 1 hour time frame, the same thing. I see. This is the diagonal support and resistance we put. So it's respected it 1, 2, 3, 4, which is good. And price been, this is the 3 EMAs here. It's hard to break, and price been going up on uptrend. So we can do a short trade, but maybe if you take a short trade in the 1 hour time frame, you would do this. You would take a trade somewhere over here to make about 70 pip. But what you have to do then is to take a shorter stop loss. You can put a stop loss somewhere under here for about 30 pip. So that makes more sense. You do a 2-to-1, and this is in a shorter time frame. This is a 1 hour time frame. That's the lowest I trade. So we're gonna stop here. This is for GBP USD quick analysis of what's going on in that pair.